Hi everyone, this is Matthew Allo. In this video, I will take you through project that will make you more proficient in PowerPoint presentations. This video was what every past Microsoft PowerPoint 365 and 2019 exams. So let's go through this project one after the other. Project 1, Task 1. On slide 6, resize the image to 6 inches wide and crop the image to a parallelogram shape. On slide 6, resize the image to 6 inches wide and crop the image to a parallelogram shape. So to do this, scroll down to slide 6. Okay, so this is the image on slide 6. So to resize the image to 6 inches wide, you just click on the picture format contextual tab. Then in the size group, here you have the shape width box. Just adjust to 6. So that's 6 inches wide. So that is done. Then crop the image to a parallelogram shape. So to do this, in the same size group, you click crop, the drop down arrow here, then crop to shape. Then under basic shape, you locate parallelogram. So that has been resized. Okay, task 1 mark completed. Then task 2, align the image on slide 3 to the middle. Align the image on slide 3 to the middle. So to do this, you locate slide 3. So this slide 3, then this image on slide 3. So to align this to the middle, you click on picture format contextual tab. Then in the arrange group, you select align object, then align middle. Okay, so that's done. So task 2 mark completed. Now task 3, insert a legend above the chart on slide 5. Insert a legend above the chart on slide 5. So you locate slide 5. Here is slide 5. So here is the chart. You select the chart. So the entire chart is selected. So to insert a legend. So this chart element, select the chart element. Here you have the legend. So you click legend, then above the chart, that's going to be top. So you select top. So here's the legend. The legend goes to the top. You can see the legend appear now at the top. Okay, so that is done. Now task 3 mark completed. And task 4, convert the text on slide 7 to a target list graphic. Convert the text on slide 7 to a target list graphic. So to do this, you scroll down to slide 7. So here are the text, you select the text. So to convert the text to a target list graphic, so on the home tab in the paragraph group, you have convert to SmartArt graphic command. You click on this and locate the target list graphic. Okay, so you select target list. So that is it. So that is done. Task 4 mark completed. Now task 5, navigate to the comment. Should we identify the location of this icon and delete the comment? Navigate, navigate to the comment. Should we identify the location of this icon and delete the comment? So to do this, you locate the comment. So here in the that's on the review tab, you have show comment, then comment pane. So in the comment pane, okay, let's go through that again. So in the comment pane, show comment pane, and the comment pane, you can just go through one by one, go through the comment, previous. Okay, here is the comment. Should we identify location of this icon? So select the comment and go to delete. So to delete the comment, just click on delete. Okay, the comment is deleted. Now task 5, mark completed. Okay, so great project. Correct.
Project 2, Task 1. Import a underscore marketing.docx located in the geometrics templates folder to create 2 new slides immediately following the types of a slide. The 2 new slides created should be titled Selling A on the Internet and Best Way to Start. Import a underscore marketing.docx located in the geometrics templates folder to create 2 new slides immediately following the types of a slide. The 2 new slides created should be titled Selling A on the Internet and Best Ways to Start. So to do this, you locate the types of a slide here. So just scroll down and select types of A, because the two new slides created should be titled Selling A on the Internet and Best Ways to Start. So we are going to import the slides by clicking on Home tab. Then in the slides group you have new slides. So you come down here and select slides from outline. Okay, so here is a marketing.docx. So just select a marketing document. It's a Word document. Then click insert. Okay, so the 2 new slides are now inserted. Selling A, selling A on the internet and best ways to start. Selling A on the internet and best ways to start. Okay, so task 1, mark completed. Now task 2. On the slide title Bucking A, adjust the media window size to be 7.5 inches, which is equivalent to 19.05 centimeter wide. Then accept the default adjusted height. On the slide title Bucking A, adjust the media window size to be 7.5 inches, which is equivalent to 19.05 centimeter wide. Accept the default adjusted height. So to do this, the Bucking A slide located here. Okay, so to adjust the media window size, so you click here and go to video format. So the size should be 7.5 inches. So you just adjust in the size group, you adjust this to 7.5 inches. Okay, that's the window size, media window size, 7.5 inches. Okay, that is done. Task 2, mark completed. Now task 3. On the bucking A slide, edit the window to start automatically and loop until stopped. On the bucking A slide, edit the video to start automatically and loop until stopped. So to do this, select the bucking A slide. So here is the video. You select the video, then you select playback contextual tab. Here, following the video format contextual tab, playback contextual tab. Then in the video options group, you come here, start and click sequence. You select the drop down arrow and change to automatically, to start automatically and loop until stopped. So here as well, you select loop until stopped. So you check this box. Okay, that is done. Task 3, mark completed. Now task 4. On the slide title types of A, add a new row to the table beneath the last row. On the slide title types of A, add a new row to the table beneath the last row. On the slide title types of A, add a new row to the table beneath the last row. So to do this, you locate the slide title types of A, select it. Okay, here is the table. Just click anywhere in the table to select it. So to add a new row, the last row is right here. Okay, just select the last row. The last row is selected. Just place your cursor on the last row. The cursor will automatically change to black. Is that arrow? Black arrow. So you click to select the last row. So just place it close to the last row. You see that the table will change. The arrow will change to black. Just place it. Don't need to click. So once it changes to black arrow, then you click to select the last row. Then after doing this, you go to the layout contextual tab. You click on the layout contextual tab. This will come up as soon as you select the. Let me do that again. So you select the last row. To select the last row, just place your cursor close to the last row. The cursor will change to black arrow. You can see the black arrow. So you click to select the last row. Then on the layout contextual tab, which will show up, then you go to the rows and columns group. Then you select insert below. Add a new row to the table beneath the last row. So insert below. So click that. So the new row has been inserted. So task 4, mark completed. Task 5. On the summary slide, insert the screen recording of the video booking A. Exclude record pointer and audio. Begin the screen recording after 1 second and end before 3 seconds. Position the screen recording to the left of the list on the summary slide. On the summary slide, insert a screen recording of the video booking A. Exclude record pointer and audio. Begin the screen recording after 1 second and end before 3 seconds. Position the screen recording to the left of the list on the summary slide. So to do this, you first of all click on the Insert tab, then in the media group select screen recording. Okay, so then on the keyboard press Alt tab, so to bring up the PowerPoint presentation. Then scroll to booking A right here. You can select this. So booking A, you just capture the video on the booking A slide. Okay, let's drop this to the top. You can see the video clearly. Okay, let's drop the bottom. Okay, it's now showing better. So just capture video part, then just below the video you have the play button, so you adjust this to 1 so that the recording can start from 1, gently switch 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Okay, 1 second, just gently. Okay, so that's 1 second. Just adjust the video gently. You can play, you can start recording after 1 second. Just gently do it. One second. Okay, that's 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. This is 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, okay, okay. This 1 second. Okay, it just a little bit past 1 second. Okay, so now to start the recording, just click record. Click record so that you can start recording. Okay, then here you press play and pause. So it's going to be between 2 seconds and 3 seconds. Okay, I haven't done that. Just click stop here. Okay, so the video should be to the left of the list. So left of the list on the summary slide. Okay, so that's it. Project 3, Task 1. Rename the untitled section to intro. Rename the untitled section to intro. Okay, to do this, you locate the untitled section that's in the navigation pane. So just right click the untitled section right here and select rename. Then change this to intro. Okay, and select rename. That is done. Task 1, mark completed. Now task 2. Apply the rotated white style to the image on the slide titled Adventurous Trails. Apply the rotated white style to the image on the slide titled Adventurous Trails. Okay, to do this, you locate the image on the slide titled Adventurous Trails. Locate the Adventurous Trail, the slide right here, that's on the Adventure section. So Adventurous Trails. So this is the image. Select the image. Once the image is selected, the picture format contextual tab will appear as on the ribbon. So select picture format contextual tab, and to apply rotated white style, that's in the picture styles group, just click on the more button here. So you locate the name rotated white style, rotated white. Okay, here. Okay, that is applied. Now task 2, mark completed. Task 3, reposition the center image on the slide with the title Rock Crawling in Moab down to its amazing form to align middle, then bring to front of the other images. Reposition the center image on the slide with the title Rock Crawling in Moab down to its amazing form to align middle, then bring to front of the other images. So to do this, locate the slide with the title Rock Crawling in Moab onto its amazing form. So the center image is right there. You click on the center image. So to align middle, so once the image is selected, you go to the ribbon, that's picture format contextual tab on the ribbon. So you click on it. Then in the arrange group, you locate the align object command and select the drop down arrow, then align middle. Okay, that is done. Then bring to front of the other images. To bring to front of the other images, so the image is still selected, so you go to the arrange group again, then the more button, you select the drop down button here to bring to front, select bring to front. Okay, the image has been brought to the front of the other two images. Okay, that is done. So task 3, mark completed. Now task 4, insert a summary zoom slide between slides 1 and 2. Include all of the slides except the title slide. Accept all other default settings. Title the zoom slide Agenda. Insert a summary zoom slide between slides 1 and 2. Include all of the slides except the title slide. Accept all other default settings. Title the zoom slide Agenda. So to do this, so just go to the navigation pane. So after the first slide, that's slide 1, that's below slide 1. So it should be between 1 and 2. So just click below slide 1. So okay, the thin line is now showing here. Then you go to insert tab, you click on insert tab, then in the links group you click on zoom. So now you click on zoom, then you select zoom, summary zoom, inside summary zoom slide. Okay, summary zoom. Okay, then include all of the slides except the title slide. So ensure you deselect the title slide, so you exclude it. So now ensure that the box as next to the other slide name is selected. So this is done. Now you click on insert, then title the zoom slide agenda. So here you type agenda, so that should have a bold formatting. So click on bold, make it bold, or you go to the home tab and select bold. So that is done. So task 4, mark completed. Now task 5, create a handout by using a feature in PowerPoint to automatically paste the slides into Microsoft Word. Display blank lines next to each slide on the handout. Name the document handout.docx and save it into the geometric templates folder. Close the handout document after it has been saved. Okay. Create a handout by using a feature in PowerPoint to automatically paste the slides into Microsoft Word. Display blank lines next to each slide on the handout. Name the document handout.docx and save it into the geometric templates folder. Close the handout document after it has been saved. Okay, to do this, so to create a handout using a feature in PowerPoint, so you just click on the File tab, then you select Export. Okay, then you select Create Handout, then Create Handout in Microsoft Word. Select the Create Handout tab here. Okay, display blank lines next to each slide. Blank lines next to slides. Blank lines next to slides. So select this and click OK. Okay, this will open Microsoft Word. Just look at the taskbar. The Microsoft Word is showing here. So name the document handout.docx and save it into geometric templates folder. Okay, so you click File tab, then Save As and Browse. So name the document handout as handouts. Okay, so click Save. So that should be saved into the geometric template folder. So go back, show it's saved in geometric template folder. Save as, browse, just select geometrics, then save. Okay, then close the handout document after it has been saved. So just click on close the document, the X button. Okay, that's done. Task 5, mark completed. Now grade project. Correct. Project 4, task 1. Add mountain biker.png to the bottom right corner of the slide master. Add mountain biker.png to the bottom right corner of the slide master. So to do this, so you go to the slide master, you switch to the slide master, you click on the view tab, then the master's view group, you have slide master. Then you scroll to slide 1, the master slide, and to insert the image mounted biker, just click on the insert tab, then the images group, click picture, then click this device. Then mounted biker is located in the geometrics folder, then click insert. Okay, then this, you go to the right corner, bottom right corner. Okay, place at the bottom right corner. Okay, that is done. And close master view. So task 1, mark completed. Now task 2. Apply smoothly transition effect to all of the slides in this presentation. Apply the smoothly transition effect to all of the slides in this presentation. So to do this, you click on the transitions tab on the ribbon. Now transition effect, and you select smoothly, then apply to all. Apply to all. So you click apply to all. That is done. So to all of the slides. So in this presentation, task 2, mark completed. Now task 3. Animate the entrance of the list items on the last slide using the fly in effect. Animate the entrance of the list items on the last slide using the fly in effect. Animate the entrance of the list items on the last slide using the fly in effect. Now you scroll to the last slide. Okay, just click to select the list item. So now the fly in effect, the animation effect, this animation, just click on the animations tab. Is an animation, so the fly in effect is right here under the entrance, fly in. Okay, that is done. So task 3, mark completed. Now task 4. Apply the medium style accent 1 style to the table on slide 2. Apply the medium style accent 1. Apply the medium style 1 accent 1 style to the table on slide 2. Apply the medium style 1 accent 1 style to the table on slide 2. So you scroll to slide 2. So just click, select the table, then you see table design contextual tab on the ribbon. Now apply medium style 1 accent 1, medium style 1 accent 1. Select that, medium style 1 accent 1. Okay, that is applied. Now task 4, mark completed. Now task 5. Restrict the editing on this presentation by marking it as final. Restrict the editing on this presentation by marking it as final. So to do this, you click on the file tab, then on info page, you select protect presentation. So the last option is mark as final. This presentation will be marked as final and then saved. Click OK. Click OK. Okay, marked as final, and auto has marked this presentation as final to discourage editing. Okay, that is done. Task 5. mark completed. Project 5, Task 1. Configure printing option to print slides 1, 3, and 4 as full page slides. Configure printing options to print slides 1, 3, and 4 as full page slides. So to do this, you just click on the File tab and select Print. Then under the settings, you select Custom Range and you type 1, 3 to 4. Then here you select full page slides. Ensure full page slides is selected. Okay, so then you return to the document. Now task 1, mark completed. And task 2, between slides 4 and 5, insert a new slide with the title and content layout. Between slides 4 and 5, insert a new slide with the title and content layout. So to do this, you select slide 4. Select slide 4. So to insert a new slide, you go to the Home tab. Then the slides group, select new slides. Then title and content layout. Okay. You select title and content layout slide. Okay. So that is done. Then task 2, mark completed. Now task 3. Format the text on slide 4 into 2 columns with 0.5 inch and 1.27 centimeter spacing between the columns. Format the text on slide 4 into 2 columns with 0.5 inch, which is equivalent to 1.27 centimeter spacing between the columns. So to do this, you scroll to slide 4. Okay, so you select the text in slide 4. You select the text. So then you go to Home tab. In the paragraph group, you select Add or Remove Column command. Now you select More Columns. So ensure this is set to 2 number of columns. Then spacing. Spacing is 0.5. Ensure this is set to 0.5 inches. Then you click OK. Okay, that is done. Now task 3, mark completed. Then task 4, add a new shape to the SmartArt graphic between invite students from course and get accepted to camp. Insert the text enroll students into the new shape. Add a new shape to the SmartArt graphic between invite students from course and get accepted to camp, and insert the text enroll students into the new shape. So to do this, you go to the SmartArt graphic. Okay, that's on slide 6. This is SmartArt graphic on slide 6. So add a new shape to the SmartArt graph between invite students from course and get accepted to camp. Okay, here it is. You select this. Then you go to SmartArt design contextual tab. So in the create graphic group, you add shape. Select the drop down arrow here, then add shape after. Add shape after. So for that new shape to come in between invite students from course and get accepted to camp. So here you enter enroll students. Okay, that is done. Okay, task 4 mark completed. Now task 5. On the last slide, change the animation path for the MOS certificate to square. On the last slide, change the animation path for the MOS certificate to square. So you scroll to the last slide, select it, then you select the MOS certificate. Now to change this to the square, that is the animation path to square, and you go to the animation tab here, select it, then the effect options, and select square. Okay, that is done. Then task 5 mark completed. Okay, great project. Correct. Project 6, task 1. Remove the header and footer from the notes master. Remove the header and footer from the notes master. So to do this, you click on the view tab, then in the master views group, you click note master. Then you click to uncheck this header box and the footer box. Okay, and you close master view. Okay, that is done. Task 1 mark completed. Then task 2, change this presentation to be viewed in widescreen 16:9 and ensure the fit. Change this presentation to be viewed in widescreen 16:9 and ensure the fit. Okay, to do this, you click on the Designs tab, then in the Customize group, you select the drop down arrow in the slide size, then you select widescreen 16:9. Okay, then you select ensure fit. Okay, that is done. Now task 2 mark completed. And task 3, configure printing option to print note pages for this presentation. Configure printing option to print note pages for the presentation. So to do this, you click on the File tab, then you select Print. Then here you select Full Page Slide, then ensure you select Note Pages. Configure printing option to print note pages. So note pages selected here for the presentation. Then you return to the document. So now task 3 mark completed. Then task 4. On slide 5, add a Pareto histogram chart using default settings and data. On slide 5, add a Pareto histogram chart using default settings and data. So to do this, you move down to slide 5. Okay, slide 5 is down here. Okay, you can dock this top whenever you see slide 5. Okay, here is slide 5. Then insert chart. Add a Pareto histogram chart. So insert chart, icon tool, then you select histogram and select Pareto and click OK. Okay, and wait for it to be inserted. Okay, you can close the Excel sheet. That is done. Then task 4, mark completed. Can as well dock this button. Okay, now task 5, create an upward arrow process. SmartArt graphic on slide 3. Create an upward arrow process SmartArt graphic on slide 3. So to do this, you switch to slide 3, scroll to slide 3, then to create upward arrow process SmartArt graphic. Okay, just click on the insert SmartArt graphic icon here, then the process, you select process, it's a process SmartArt. So you scroll down to the arrow, that's upward arrow, okay, all these are arrows. Okay, so you just select upward arrow. Okay, so it is done, and click, you select this and click OK. Okay, has been done. Now task 5, mark completed. Project 7, task 1, add the alt text scuba diver to the image on the last slide. Add the alt text scuba diver to the image on the last slide. So to do this, you scroll to the last slide and select the image. Okay, so on the ribbon you will see the picture format contextual tab, and you click on it. Then in the accessibility group you select alt text. You can as well do this by selecting or right clicking the image. Just right click on the image, then you can select view alt text. That's to bring up this alt text pane. So you can as well do that by right clicking. Just right click on this image, then you select view alt text, and this alt text pane will show up. You can just go to the picture format contextual tab and select alt text. So then in this text box, you type scuba diver. Okay, so then you close the alt text pane. Just click on the X button there. Okay, that's done. Select the shape or the picture, select the image, deselect the image, then task 1, mark completed. Now task 2, on the title slide hyperlink the text http://scuba.gmetrix.com to the corresponding website address http://scuba.gmetrix.com. On the title slide hyperlink the text http://scuba.gmetrix.com to the corresponding website address scuba.gmetrix.com. So to do this, just scroll to the title slide
Then you select the text, http://scuba.geometrics.com. Then to link this to the corresponding website, you just need to open the Install Hyperlink dialog box. So you can do that by selecting the Insert tab. Then in the links group, just click the link. Another way of doing this is just to right click on the text, then you select link, or you can use the shortcut which is Ctrl K, okay, to open this. So now ensure you select the existing file or web page. Then in the address box you type the web address, that's Cuba, http scuba.geometrics.com. So you just type that, then you click OK. Okay, that is done. That is done. So task 2 mark completed. Now task 3. On slide 3, add the text Cuba with a font size of 28 and font color white to the graphic element. On slide 3, add the text Scuba with a font size of 28 and font color white to the graphic element. On slide 3, add the text Scuba with a font size of 28 and font color white to the graphic element. So you scroll to slide 3 and select slide 3. Okay, here is the graphic element. You select it, then you add the text. To add the text, you just type Scuba. Okay, that's done. So you select it and change to 28, the font size. Change the font size to 28. Okay, then the font color to white. So you come to font color and change this to white. Okay, that is done. Okay, so task 3 mark completed. Task 3 mark completed. Then task 4. Apply the built-in style light 1 outline color fill, purple accent 6 to the graphic element on slide 3. Apply the built-in style light 1 outline colored fill, purple accent 6 to the graphic element on slide 3. So to do this, you select the graphic element on slide 3. So this slide 3 already. So you select the graphic element. Okay, that's selected. So then to apply the built-in style light 1 outline color fill, purple accent 6. So just go to the ribbon, you see shape format contextual tab. Then the shape styles group, you select the more button, then you look for light 1 color fill. You can dock this top to enable you see that clearly. Okay, so you go back to shape styles, then you look for light 1 outline color fill, purple accent 6. Light 1, okay, light 1 outline colored fill, purple accent 6.
So you select it, okay, to apply it. So that has been applied. Okay, so task 4, mark completed. You can dock this bottom, dock it to the bottom of your screen again. So now task 5, format the background of the title slide by inserting the graphic scuba underscore art.png located in the geometry templates folder. Format the background of the title slide by inserting the graphic scuba underscore art.png located in the geometric template folder. Okay, to do this, you scroll to the title slide, scroll to and select the title slide, which is the first slide. Then to format the background, you go to the design tab, then in the customize group, you click on format background. Okay, so you see format background pane. Then here you select picture because we are dealing with a picture here. So .png means picture, so it's a picture file. So now you click insert to insert it, then from a file. So this is scuba art picture. So you select insert. Okay, that is done. So task 5, so you can close the format background pane. Then task 5 mark completed. Okay, so great project. Correct.
I believe you have learned a lot from the video. So to keep getting this kind of video, ensure you click on the subscribe button and drop your comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.